The snip this time is of your project folder, your file, the columns, and a details pane over here. Select the file so you have something to show in that pane. Always have the assignment open. I try to give you the example of the file name, but you'll have to wait on copying it when you're snipping. To run the snipping tool, SNIP, make sure you use the one with the scissors. We're not ready to take this snip though, because that's not what we're seeing on the screen. Return, have the snip ready, and use the new snip button right here. We're going to draw a rectangle on this grayed out screen that includes the address, ignore the 0, the file name, make sure your name's on it. You got these columns right here and dimensions and comments. Dimensions should be first. And include some part of this pane over here, the details pane, so I can see that you've got it open. Now this is what we need to save. File is always the first menu option, and you'll find File Save right here. Except it says Save As. This is important. We need to be able to decide where the file is going to go and what it's going to be named. Snip and Sketch doesn't let you do that as easily. Here we are in the Scratch folder. You may need to find it by going to OneDrive, this is mine, and the Scratch folder. If you don't, you'll be down here in some folder, the Pictures folder, and you won't be able to find it when it's time to turn it in. Now this is what we need to change. We've selected the location, but the file name has to change. What file name? Right here. So I'm going to copy that, return to my Snip and Sketch, and paste it. You can change the date code to the day you're turning it in, and change this so your name is on it. These file names have when it was made, what's in it, and who it belongs to, all at a glance in the file name. Click Save, and now you're ready to turn it in. I can't demonstrate that because I'm the teacher. So we recorded a video. Ben turned one in. There's no audio, but it will show you exactly step by step where to click to add a file and browse to the folder where that file is. Always check it against the example.